What you'll need is a handful of bean sprouts, a handful of shredded iceberg lettuce, or if you prefer, you can also use cabbage, about 200 grams of shrimp, a soup base or stock of your choice. Today I'm going to use some shoyu stock, and some sliced up spring onion to finish it off. First we're gonna blanch the bean sprouts. Here I have a pot with some boiling water. I'm gonna put them in there for roughly 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, drain the water and rinse them with some cold water. After that, boil your shrimp. Take some boiling water and put your shrimp in there. I'll let them cook for roughly 2 to 3 minutes. You can also buy your shrimp pre-cooked, but this is a little bit cheaper. You can also add some aromatics to the water, like lemon, onion, peppercorns. But since my broth is very rich in flavor, I'm just gonna leave it at that. Alright, time for the assembly. Take a nice bowl and put your lettuce in there. Then your bean sprouts, the shrimp, and finally your broth. And there you have it. Super delicious, easy, protein rich and filling lunch. That's it.